Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an antonyms quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the antonym of the word abundant? The correct option is B. Scarce. Question 2. What is the antonym of the word approve? The correct option is D. Disapprove. Question 3. What is the antonym of the word cautious? The correct option is C. Reckless. Question 4. What is the antonym of the word complex? The correct option is B. Simple. Question 5. What is the antonym of the word defeat? The correct option is B. Victory. Question 6. What is the antonym of the word expand? The correct option is A. Contract. Question 7. What is the antonym of the word fiction? The correct option is C. Fact. Question 8. What is the antonym of the word flexible? The correct option is B. Rigid. Question 9. What is the antonym of the word harmless? The correct option is A. Dangerous. Question 10. What is the antonym of the word increase? The correct option is A. Reduce. Question 11. What is the antonym of the word justice? The correct option is B. Injustice. Question 12. What is the antonym of the word mature? The correct option is A. Immature. Question 13. What is the antonym of the word minimum? The correct option is B. Maximum. Question 14. What is the antonym of the word optimistic? correct option is D. Pessimistic. Question 15. What is the antonym of the word praise? The correct option is C. Criticize. Question 16. What is the antonym of the word public? The correct option is A. Private. Question 17. What is the antonym of the word reject? The correct option is A. Accept. Question 18. What is the antonym of the word scarce? The correct option is C. Abundant. Question 19. What is the antonym of the word strength? The correct option is A. Weakness. Question 20. What is the antonym of the word tolerate? The correct option is A. Ban. Question 21. What is the antonym of the word victory? The correct option is A. Defeat. Question 22. What is the antonym of the word unity? The correct option is B. Division. Question 23. What is the antonym of the word wealthy? The correct option is A. Poor. Question 24. What is the antonym of the word visible? The correct option is D. Invisible. Question 25. What is the antonym of the word cheer? The correct option is A. Discourage. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new and I'll see you next time. Bye.